Hey guys, welcome back. How are you all doing today? I trust you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share with you all how to make this delicious Yamarita. This is so delicious, guys. So let's get right into the video. So first we are going to peel the yam. So once I'm done peeling the yam, I'm going to rinse properly. Then I'm going to slice it into the shape that I prefer. You can as well slice your own in any shape that you want. So I will be going with this kind of shape. I'll just slice everything just like this, just the way you are seeing on the screen. Okay. So once I'm done with this slicing, I'm going to transfer it into my cooking pot. Then I will go in with some salt. Then I will add in water that will be enough for the yam to cook. Then I'll allow this to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. So at this point our yam is nicely cooked. I'm just going to take it off the heat. Then I will strain out the water. Then I will set it aside. So I'll be using 2 eggs for this recipe. You can as well use more if your yam are much. So after cracking the eggs, I'm going to add in some chopped onions and some chopped habanero pepper. Then I will add in a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to whisk this very well, then set aside as well. Okay. So here I have half cup of flour. So I'm going to add in some chili powder, curry powder, and some salt. You can also add in seasoning, but I'm not adding seasoning to my Yamarita. You can also add seasoning if you want, okay? So I'm going to mix everything together. Then I will bring out the yam. So I'm going to be dipping the yam into the egg. Then I will rub it into the flour. Then I will dip it into the egg again. Then rub it into the flour, just the way you are seeing on the screen, okay? So we are going to be repeating the same process until we are done with the yam. And guys, if today is your first time here, thanks for clicking. Please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much. Thanks for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing, and keep commenting. Thank you so much. So at this point you can see how I'm doing it, okay? So just follow the process and that's it. And guys, at this point my oil is already preheated. So once I'm done with this process, will immediately start to fry. You can see how nicely it is. Then it's time to start frying. So once you add your vegetable oil into your fry pan, allow it to hot, then start to fry your Yamarita. So we are going to be frying this on both sides for 2 minutes. Okay. And after 2 minutes, guys, our delicious Yamarita is ready. And guys, this was so yummy. And guys, you can eat this with sauce, egg sauce, or stew, or you can as well use ketchup. Anyone can go. So guys, if you watched to this extent, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and also share. And guys, look at that. Look how yummy this my delicious Yamarita is looking. And guys, it was so yummy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye guys.